Hey, what's up YouTube? So I just picked up another Acura Rsx Type S. It's a theft recovery, so it's missing a battery. It's missing the ECU as well. So I got an extra ECU, I got a shift knob, and I've got to replace the immobilizer. So hopefully with all that we can actually see if the car runs and drives. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the cover off the ignition, put the ECU in here and get a battery on here and hopefully see if it cranks up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery on real fast and start showing you how to get the immobilizer off. Alright, so now I got my battery on here, but for some reason I'm still not getting any power. So first thing when diagnosing that is to check your fuses. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this cover off. And as you can see, this is the main battery fuse is already missing, so they stole that, I guess, which is dumb. I don't know why you would steal that, but when you're a thief, I guess you do dumb things anyway. So I'm gonna go, it should be, I think, a 100 amp fuse that should go right here. So I'm gonna put that on here and hopefully that should give us power. And then also, if some people don't know what the immobilizer is, it's just this right here, this little thing that goes around the keyring. And basically, if you don't have if you don't want to use the immobilizer, you just want to actually just have it around to use the ECU, you just kind of zip tie it and then just kind of zip tie it next to your ignition. You don't have to actually replace it if you want to use your stock key instead of using this key. So it's just this and the ECU, and that's the completion to start any RSX if you want to use the immobilizer off of another car to run, like if you're running just to get the car stock and you just want to use the stock keys, go ahead and just wrap this around like I said and just make sure that it's there. And you have to make sure that this is plugged in instead of your stock immobilizer. So got my shift knob as well. I'm gonna install this, the immobilizer, and see if we can get this car to crank up. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. Alright, so now I got my battery fuse in there. As you can see, this is the 100 that was missing. I got my battery, and let me show you what else I got installed. So I got the ECU installed. It's a PRB ECU, A08, and got my shift knob on there so I can hopefully take this thing for a ride. And what I was telling you guys earlier about the immobilizer, so the immobilizer on here, you don't have to actually use it. You don't have to like swap it over if you don't want to, but it'll be easier if you just kind of just zip tie it to that and then kind of just bring this up, zip tie it up in there, and then you can still use your stock key and you won't have to worry about swapping keys over. So that's basically all you need on the immobilizer if you're swapping ECUs. So other than that, let's see if we can get this car to start up. So let me go ahead and get over here. And this car is a theft recovery, so I didn't get a key with it, but I'll use the back of the ignition. Starts right up. Alright, so I'm gonna take this bumper off and then we're gonna go for a little ride and see how it feels. Alright, so we're gonna get ready to take this thing for a drive, see how it feels. Just wanna make sure all the gears are good, because you never know on these Type S's. They're known for second gear and third gear synchros to go out very quick, so we're we're just gonna go test that out real fast, see how the motor runs. It only has an intake on here, so I don't expect it to be super fast. Def recovery. I mean, it was only a couple things needed. I mean, I know I have a couple RSXs, so it was easier for me. But even if like, you know, you had to go search for the parts, you'd probably spend around, for the ECU and the immobilizer, they usually go for around 300, and then the battery around, I don't know, like 40 bucks or whatever. And then that little fuse is probably like $10, $5 at the junkyard or whatever. So not too bad. Car runs good. No check engine lights or anything. So I mean, like I said, I'm just more focused on the transmission. Tip, so it's not actual full exhaust on here, so probably why it's not pulling as strong as some people are with full exhaust, and everything still just has basically just intake. Now shit's really good with the transmission, so I'm happy with the transmission. As long as that works, I'm happy. Not sure if I'm going to sell the car complete or not, but if anybody is interested, just let me know. But also I'll be selling the swap most likely though, because I think the tags are back around, 2 years, so good swap for somebody, or if anybody just wants to use it for parts or whatever. All the airbags are intact, seats aren't that good, body's not that good as well. It's a good car that maybe just use for parts. Oh shoot. Alright, installed. Let me get my back. Yeah, if anybody's interested in the swap, just let me know. You can see no check engine lights still. want to get in touch with me, just hit me up on my email, which is honda.mike1988@gmail.com, or you can hit me up on Instagram at KSeriousSWorks. You can hit me up on YouTube. Whatever, just let me know what you need. If you need help with a swap or you need help getting a swap, I can ship a full swap to you.